Day 3. Day 2
2
for them. We are walking to the train station again. Hopefully we can all follow directions and get through the same gate with the same pass. Alright?
Or else we'll be waiting for 18 minutes.
Oh yeah, or else we're gonna have to take a freaking Uber again because we ain't gonna wait for 18 minutes. So we are here and we need to transfer at Washington. Hey, what are we doing?
Taking a train, bro.
Train to?
A place to eat. I don't know.
Hey, what's your OOTD today? What are you wearing? What are you rocking?
Some dirty ass.
Oh, look at them wings! Look at them wings! Hey!
I am wearing some black jeans.
Some black jeans.
Prescott, even
Prescott representing.
Adidas.
He's matching with them shoes. What's your OOTD?
Well, you know, always Steve Madden.
Steve Madden. Aight. Ooh, some fresh.
Fresh and Express.
He's express all the way. I'm rocking me some H&M's, some Abercrombies, and some Express, and hold up, I got some Ralph Lauren polo. Hey, what's your OOTD? What are you rocking down there? Oh Lord. Where are we? 3 Arts Club Cafe. What's the price?
Cider bacon sandwich.
We've made it here at 3 Arts Club Cafe in the Restoration Hardware District. And look at our table. The table's pretty nice. I am getting a pour-over coffee because my experience with that was pretty good. What are you getting?
RA scramble and cappuccino.
Okay. What are you getting?
Espresso.
What are you getting? A latte. Okay, guys, their elevator has a freaking bench and a mirror. Oh my god. We're kind of sneaking up until the 4th floor. We don't even know we have to pay or not. But we're going. Welcome to my rooftop.
Oh, shut up. This is my rooftop.
Oh, yeah,
We
I'm good.
have finished at 3 Arts Cafe. Where are we going?
Monsters?
Big
Toys?
monster toy.
Big monsters.
Big Monsters Toys. That's a big ass store
Sounds like a
with
sex
some
shop.
monsters.
Okay, I'm done.
You can buy something for groceries.
Oh, okay, she said kid.
Calories.
For your son.
Oh,
No, that's
baby.
toys.
For your baby.
So you can just suck on them.
Ooh, what's
Toys, bro.
So we're heading to this big door so we can take some cool ass photos, and then we're gonna go to the Willis Tower, up to the sky deck. So we made it here at Big Monster Toys. This big door. I'm probably as high as, not even. I'm below the doorknob.
I guess you're not getting
She can't do it.
With the help of we are over here. Oh,
Hey, I'm not that good.
No, you're not. It's just my legs.
damn, Willie.
Need help, Kuya?
I'm slipping, y'all. Hold on. Hold on. I think I need some push-ups first. There you go. Just take a picture.
Put your arms up. Put your arms up. I mean, your arms on your legs.
Here you go. I can't do that.
We've made it here at the Willis Tower. We're gonna go up to the sky deck and take some pretty gnarly pictures.
Wait, is it your tower?
Oh, that's the actual size one?
So we're finished with the Willis Tower. We got our pictures, and Mr. Mark Padalina here will navigate us to the Rookery Building since we are now on schedule for once. Willie almost died up there because he's afraid of heights. What is he?
He's I'm gonna throw him off the damn stairs tower. We're gonna go back so I can kick your ass.
I don't know, your legs buckle, man.
Ooh. So we're heading to the Rookery Building and he's gonna navigate us there because he was judging me last time there because we went the wrong direction. So, off to the Rookery Building for just aesthetic pictures. Why are you coming in the thing with me?
He wants to be.
Aww, you just want to be how nice.
We are gonna walk,
Yes, start. Let's go.
but it's like pointing the different direction. Alright guys, y'all ready for this? We about to get lost. Ooh, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. Looking at.
Oh yeah, it's only one street.
Why am I getting confused over here? We good, man. You know, it took time, but we got this.
All aboard! We're taking a nice warm walk into Union Station. I have no idea where we're going.
Indoor place.
Yes, where are we going though?
We're going to the Union Station. Oh, we are in the Union Station.
Uh-huh.
Blue line. We're looking for blue line.
I don't think that's in here, Kuya.
Oh, let's see. Find out, man.
we are here at Giordano's with Marianne and Mark's family. There they are.
That's literally their names.
Yeah. We're here to try a deep dish pizza. Soon to come. This is tomato bruschetta.
Ooh. Oh my god.
Yes. These are barbecue chicken wings. This is calamari.
Are you gonna miss me when I'm gone?
Miss you when. What's that song? I miss you when you're gone or something. There's a song. There's a lyrics actually. Yes. See you back in Austin Wednesday.
Why are you leaving us? You don't like us. You said our plane comes at.
This one is leaving us in like a few minutes.
Go back in Austin?
Just headed back to Austin. And we are still here for another 2 days. Okay. See, she says wow. Because I did that. You want to do that?
What?
Whoa! We are here back at Airbnb. Giordano's Pizza, and we're chilling like a villain. And we're gonna stream a horror movie. We're taking a little break. We're supposed to go to the casino around 8-ish, and then we'll see what our plan is after that.
We'll see you next time.